Hello guys, your warm welcome once again in Easy Economics session. So in today's session we are going to discuss another topic related to public finance. It is public debt. So in this particular video we will discuss some MCQ related to classification of public debt, very important concept of public finance. So let's move. Question number 1. Public debt refers to. So you have to find out the meaning of public debt. Options are borrowings of the public, second borrowings of the companies, third borrowings of the government, fourth revenue of the government. So what is the correct answer? Yes, very simple question. What is the meaning of public debt? Public debt refers to what? Correct answer is C. Public debt refers to borrowings of the government. It means public debt refers to the loans taken by the government. Here guys, students always get confused from this word public debt. Sometimes they think it is the debt taken by the public. But no, it is the debt or loans taken by the government for the developmental activities. Right? So correct answer is C. Question number 2. Which one statement is not correct regarding public debt? Guys, here there are 4 statements given. You have to find out which statement is not correct. Okay, so we'll see the statements one by one. First statement, public debts are used for financing public activities. Is it correct? Yes, this statement is correct. Naturally, public debts or public loans are used for financing the public activities or developmental activities. Second statement, public debt should be repaid within a specific period. Of course, when government has taken the loan, it should be repaid within specific time period. So second option is also correct. Third, there are financial obligation for a public debt. Yes, public debt is the financial obligation because government has to repay it after a maturity with proper interest amount. So third statement is also correct. Fourth statement, public loans floated within the country is known as external debt. But this statement is not correct because public debts floated within the country is known as internal debt, not the external debt. So correct option is D. Question number 3. Which one is not the classification of public debt? Very important question. There are different types of public debt, that is known as classification of public debt. So you have to find out which one is not the type of public debt. First is funded and unfunded. Yes, this is the one type of public debt. Second, internal and external is another kind of public debt. Third, redeemable and irredeemable. This is also the very important classification of public debt. Fourth, revenue and capital. Guys, here fourth option is the incorrect one because revenue and capital is the classification of public revenue, not the public debt. Question number 4. Public debt taken from IMF or World Bank is categorized as. Guys, you must be knowing the classification of public debt. A very important classification, that is internal public debt and external public debt. This particular question deals with the external public debt. So loan taken from IMF or World Bank by any government, by any country, it is considered as external public debt. So the correct option is B. Question number 5. When government borrow for investment in infrastructure and industrial development, then it is known as. Okay. Very simple question. When government borrow or government raise the loans for the investment in infrastructure and industrial development, then such type of loan is known as. First option, unproductive debt, internal debt, productive debt, or voluntary debt. Here the question is talking about the productive debt. When government raise the loans for the developmental activities, then it is known as productive debt. And investment in infrastructure and industrial development is but obvious developmental activities. So correct option is C. Question number 6. Loans taken for war, expenditure, repayment of old loans and paying for interest on loans are considered as. This is another kind of classification of public debt, and it is talking about the loan taken for war expenditure, for repayment of old loans and for paying the interest. So such type of loans come under the category of unproductive debt. Okay, because such type of loans does not create any asset and does not bring any revenue for the government. So it is considered as unproductive debt. So the correct option is A. Question number 7. Loans which are not repaid by the government is known as. This is another important question regarding public debt. कुछ लोन ऐसे होते हैं जो गवर्नमेंट कभी रीपे ही नहीं करती है. Okay, it is not repaid by the government. So such type of loan is known as what? There are 4 options. First is terminable debt, second is redeemable debt, third is irredeemable debt, and fourth is funded debt. So what will be the correct option? First 2 options, terminable debt and redeemable debt, are those debt that are repaid by the government after a specified period of time. So first 2 option will not be the correct here. Third option, irredeemable debt. Yes, irredeemable debt is the correct option. According to irredeemable debt, the loan taken by the government is not repaid, although interest are paid time to time. So such type of loan is known as irredeemable debt, and such type of loans are very unpopular. Government mostly avoids such type of loan. Question number 8. In order to repay the debt, the government creates a fund into which money is deposited regularly. Such loan is known as. This question is also related to classification of public debt. Options are given over here. First, unfunded debt. Second, funded debt. Third, unproductive debt. Fourth, short-term debt. Guys, this question is talking about the funded debt. When government creates a special fund to repay the loan after a specified period of time, then it is known as funded debt. Government creates a separate fund for it, and such type of loans are taken for long-term project. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Post office saving schemes like National Saving Certificate, Kisan Vikas Patra, etc. are example of which type of public debt? This question is talking about the classification voluntary and compulsory debt, whether it is voluntary debt or compulsory debt. Third option is external debt. Fourth option is unproductive debt. Such type of debts are the example of voluntary debt. It means what? When people willingly lend to the government in the form of purchasing or investing in National Saving Certificate scheme of post office, or when they purchase Kisan Vikas Patra, they invest their money in such type of scheme. It means people are voluntarily providing the loan to the government. So it is considered as voluntary debt. Option A. Question 10. A regular contribution to Provident Fund by employees, that is known as EPF, is an example of. Guys, through EPF also people provide loans to the government, or you can say this is the another source of public debt or government loan. So this EPF is categorized in which type of public debt? Is it voluntary debt, compulsory debt, or external debt, or unproductive debt? This is compulsory debt. Earlier in the previous question we have seen the voluntary debt. This is compulsory debt, EPF. Every employee has to contribute to this fund, that is known as Provident Fund, and it is repaid to the employee when they retire. So this is the compulsory public debt. Question number 11. Public debt taken for 10 years and more comes under which categories? It is clear by the name itself. It is clear by the question itself. It is talking about long-term public debt. So the correct option is C. Question number 12. What is redeemable debt? Guys, we have discussed this question earlier too when we were discussing the different types of public debt. Redeemable and irredeemable. So what is irredeemable debt? We'll see the option. Option A. Debts which are repaid by the government with interest at some specified future date. B. Debts which are not repaid by the government. C. Loans taken for unproductive purposes. D. Loans taken for war expenditure. If you see here, option 1 is the correct answer. Debt which are repaid by the government with interest after a particular time period. So this is redeemable type of loan. Second option is talking about irredeemable debt that is not repaid by the government. We have already discussed in the previous question. Loans taken for unproductive purposes, that is known as unproductive public debt. And fourth option, loans taken for war expenditure. This is also a kind of unproductive public debt. So the correct answer is A. So guys, here we have completed 12 questions from classification of public debt chapter. Hope your concept regarding classification or different types of public expenditure is clear now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Keep on learning.